What's bubblegum poppin'?
So good.
Hey y'all, what's up? And welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel and just stopping by, don't forget to give this video a nasty thumbs up before you leave it, alright? Don't be bangy. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, so you too can be a part of the FNTgang. And if you're already gang, welcome back. Alright y'all, so today, y'all already know what time it is. That means I'm all complete with my orders. I'm doing a tomahawk steak with some mashed potatoes and some asparagus. Y'all, everything was made in drip sauce. I did the drip sauce when I based my steak. I done the drip sauce when I was whipping my mashed potatoes, as well as sauteing my asparagus with some mushrooms, y'all. And I am sipping on blue acai lemonade Seagram. I know I'm supposed to be drinking wine today, but y'all, this is just too good. I think it's frozen. Well, it is frozen, but still so good. So I'm gonna go ahead and say grace and we're gonna get started. Amen. Oh, here we go. Ooh. All right. All right, here we go. Y'all, I can't wait to eat this steak. So good. Look at that. Drip. But hey y'all, happy Wednesday. Y'all, hold on, I gotta get another back there. I was already excited to have my tomahawk steak. Not only when I eat my tomahawk steak, that's when I'm done with my orders 100%. But I was online and I was catching up on videos, and I watched FNTg's video. Ooh, when Tasha was being aggravating, asking questions as she was talking. But she had some steak, and the way she was killing that steak, I was like, oh my gosh. I literally got up and took out my tomahawk steak, y'all. It's just simply seasoned to the gods. Like, I love when I heavily season it, y'all. I got that little good crisp. I don't know if y'all can see it. Like the little dark marks. My bad. So y'all, I ended up doing the video with Jamal and Ted from, be on the lookout on that on Friday. So I'm actually still in the process of editing that. Y'all, the video ended up going completely left because I told them, I said, y'all make sure y'all have y'all questions together. Do not make it so freaking. Even though I know y'all want to know all that. I just don't think it's cute to talk about it over, you know, food, but teach his own. Child, that's all they wanted to talk about was freaky stuff. I'm like, dang, I want y'all to know all my secrets. And everybody know if you take a shot, you automatically guilty for the and this is referring to the Truth or Shot Challenge. If you take a shot, you're automatically guilty. So you might as well come clean. Y'all, what about this Tomahawk steak? This thing was humongous, okay? It was huge. But as I cooked it, the fat, I guess it was mostly fat, y'all. Girl, I don't know what to tell you. But she's still good. So yeah. As we still sitting home during this pandemic, and even when we're out, we're being safe, you know, social distancing, keep the circle real small. I'm real deal starting to miss some people. And one person that came to mind, y'all, was Keisha Miss Diversity. Something flew in my eye. I probably did. But I miss my girl. I do. And actually, I need to text her and see if we can do like have like different nights where we can FaceTime, a different time that we can FaceTime. Because we created a great relationship with each other. You know what I'm saying? So, I miss you, girl. The last time we hung out was for her birthday this year. We went to Hot Pot. It was her, Jamal, and I. We went to a hot spot. We got lit. We enjoyed ourselves. We went to the beach. Got lit some more. I think the very last time I seen her was when she had made an order, a seafood bowl order, and we met each other and dropped it off. I think that was somewhere in like maybe July, August. I miss my girl. Miss Diversity. Yes. And something else I've been thinking, y'all. I want to try posting every day. I feel like something keeps flying in my eye. Anyway, I want to get into posting every day. Because I be missing y'all for real. Like, even though I be doing, you know, other stuff other than YouTube, I'm like, dang. I miss my gang. Period. I know y'all, but you say you gonna start going live again. I know. I know, y'all. But seriously, I want to start filming like every day. And I gotta start using my planner again. Like playing different topics. What I'm gonna post for the week. I gotta put in a little more overtime. You feel what I'm saying? But we are almost at 22,000 subscribers. So we have, period. Oh Lord, I'm getting full. I'm getting full, y'all. But yeah, like I mentioned, y'all, the video, the truth or shot video will be posted on Friday. Be on the lookout for her. I'm gonna take one more bite. Y'all already know. I'm gonna leave that rib part for me to chew on after the video. Like, I don't share that. I just can't let y'all see me devour that piece of meat like that, like I'm some type of animal. I can't. And somebody in my last video, they was like, Ryan, can you consider like eating it in front of us one time? The most I can do is pray on it, y'all. But that piece of bone, that's for when I'm in my pajamas, watching TV. I'm like, you know, I'm a little lunch. So I go in the refrigerator, warm her up, and I just chew on the bone, period. Yeah, I'm full. I'm full, but I really enjoyed this, y'all. So with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this video up. I know. Thank y'all so much for watching. If you haven't already, please give this video a nasty thumbs up. If you like, of course, and don't be banjing, go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, so you too can be a part of the FNTgang. Ooh, I know I look like I got a lip glow. I'm out, yes indeed, and don't forget to say poppin' but deliciously. I will see y'all next time. Be on the lookout for that video on Friday, and I hope y'all have a great rest of y'all week. Bye.